How to copy your wallet address on Opensea. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to copy your wallet address on Opensea fast and easy in less than 1 minute. So all what you have to do is go to opensea.io and go to the top corner right here and choose profile. Now here in your profile you have your wallet address. Just click on it like this and it will be copied. And there is another method that you can go from settings and go down and you will find your wallet address right here. Just click copy and it's copied, as you can see. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end.